MileIQ is a very affordable app that goes on your phone that tracks your miles as you drive. So every single time you get in the car, it's capturing that drive, it's recording it contemporaneously like the IRS requires, and all you have to do is swipe left or right, business or personal. If it's business, then you have the option to record the information that they require, such as what was the business purpose, right? MileIQ is only, right now, I think it's $5.99 a month. If you're somebody who does a lot of drives, perhaps you're distributing to stores, definitely recommend this tool, because what we find when people use their calendar is they're almost always missing drives and therefore missing deductions. The next one I'm not going to talk too much about, which is QuickBooks. We are a QuickBooks accounting firm. We love QuickBooks for most small businesses. Now, if your CBD brand is starting to exceed or approach a $10 million per year revenue, you may start to outgrow the capabilities of QuickBooks Online. But the reality is that QuickBooks is very adequate up to that $10 million per year mark. If it's managed appropriately, you can do everything from inventory to invoicing for your wholesale. Everything that you need can be done there. Other options for accounting software, just to share with you guys, Accounting Suite, I have heard, is very friendly with our industry. I do not know whether or not they offer payments processing. I would anticipate no. NetSuite is also used for a more advanced CBD business that has significant ERP, which is Enterprise Resource Planning needs. So NetSuite sort of integrates the accounting with the resource management component. For the smaller businesses, Xero is another option that a lot of folks like because it presents the information in a very easy to understand manner. And Zoho Books is sort of the most entry level. If you already have an established business, those two options, Xero and Zoho, would be, probably not ideal for you. And the third is Gusto. If you run payroll or you're starting to run payroll, Gusto is a very accessible payroll application. It's not like ADP, right? Or those other major companies where, you don't really have an understanding of what's happening on the back end. Gusto provides the platform for you to pay your employees, and it's very intuitive. So typically they're collecting and remitting all of your payroll taxes for you at the time of payroll. So you don't have to worry about being surprised by the bill at the end of the quarter. And it's very intuitive. If you can get through kind of the setup of your employer accounts with the state and the federal government, Gusto is incredibly intuitive.